na po yung sinasabi ko, nakakanta si Bossing. Kasama sina Kuya Jose and Kuya Wally. Totoo yan ha. Gusto ko silang mapanood. Mga Dabarkads, eto na sina Kuya Jose and Kuya Wally. Kasama si Bossing. Pak! 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 My Dr. Quack!
Totoo yung sinasabi ni Zayjan at Cyril.
Mapapanood nyo na ang pak na performance ni Bossing!
Pak! 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 At kasama pa sina Jose at Wally.
Ito na ang pak! Pak! My Dr. Quack na si Bossing!
Wow! Ano yun?
Back up.
Hello. Hello, check. My check. Ang ganda-ganda ng tirada ko, ano?
Ganda nga, maganda ang tirada.
Umayos kayo.
Kaya bumabakap kami.
Do you know what's worth fighting for?
Quack, quack.
Ang ganda-ganda. Green Day, 21 Guns, ang background nyo. Quack, quack.
Sandali, Bossing, ano ba yung pinong-promote natin?
Pak, by Dr. Quack.
Oh, sino ba yung doktor dito?
Ako, eto nga, naka-doktor na ako.
Ikaw ang Dr. Quack, di ba?
Oo.
Oh, kaya yun. Bakit? Ikaw yung kakanta namin. Quack, quack.
Ganun ba yun?
Kung ayaw mo di, kwek, kwek.
Wag na. Quack na lang. Sige. Kanya-kanya tayong background, ha? Wag yun. Kanya-kanya tayong background, pero walang angalan, ha?
Sige. Basta kami gagandahan namin.
Mainit, ha? Sandali.
Kaya ayaw dumikit sa nguso, eh. Sandali, game na. Bossing. Uy.
Pwede ba umarin ko to?
Bakit?
Hindi ako makakilos.
Doktor ka kasi, ganyan naman talaga yung mga doktor. Salamat,
Pag may operahan.
Salamat, pinaunlakan mo kami, ha? Kakahiya naman sa'yo, nagbihis ka pa. Tatanggal, eh.
Adlib muna kayo. Practice ka. Okay. Ayusin niyo yung ano, ha? Ayusin niyo yung background niyo.
Alright.
Ayusin mo rin background mo sa amin.
Oh.
We're ready.
Do you know what's worth fighting for?
Quack, quack.
When it's not worth dying for.
Quack, quack.
Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain wait out the crowd? Kalbo. Where to look for a place to hide? Bok. It's a migrant heart inside. You're in ruins. 121 guns, lay down your arms, feel of the fight. 121 guns, throw up your arms into the sky. You and I. When you're at the end of the road, and you lost all sense of control, and your thoughts have taken the toll, when your mind breaks the spirit of your soul, your faith was unbroken now. Langka. Bakla. You're in ruins.